Oof, y'all couldn't hear me. That's a little bit sad. I just realized I probably recorded a bunch of clips for a video with that off. Which... oh, I hope I didn't. Okay, anyway. Okay. So, I guess, first things first, let's go into UI and add in a panel. This panel is going to be our stamina bar. Now, all the coding for the stamina bar is going to be in this script here, the controller script. So, but we definitely want to get it set up first. So, I'm trying to get Danny to, if y'all don't know Danny, Namna Dash, I used to work with her at ESY. Yeah, so, I'm trying to get her involved in this. Give me a second. She says, never really seen or heard of Destiny games. Okay, I'm trying to explain her the concept. I'm streaming right now, if you wanna come. To maybe see if she'd be interested in it. Okay, so, here's what we're up to. We've got the stamina bar, and this doesn't actually need to be this big. In fact, the fact is, I really just want it, like, smack dab in the middle bottom. And you can see it gets big. I don't want it to get big. It still gets big. So here's what's up. Sliced, that's fine. I just, scale. I honestly don't know. Scale constraint. Here we go. Is active. Wait. No, this isn't actually what I want. I don't actually know how to do this. I want it to grow. I don't want this to grow. You know what I mean? And I'm actually pretty sure... no. Let me look. Yo, what? Where'd it go? Yo, that seems tiny. Stick it up here. What? Scale with screen size, maybe? Let's look. I just want to make sure the panel... where does it go? What the heck? Why does it get smaller? It just doesn't make sense. Actually... I mean, it's not what I want. But it's not what I want or need or anything. Let's look. Let's go back to the canvas. Scale with screen size. I want it a constant pixel size. Let's try that. I don't know. Welcome, Savage. No, that's not it. That's not what I want. I do want it a constant size. Let's go based off the camera. And then throw the main camera in. I don't know if that's going to change anything, but I do want all the HUD based off the camera, as that's where we look out of. Now, That sounded smart, but I have no idea what I'm talking about. Zoom in on this HUD. This is my little duder here, right? Yeah. So this is what I'm dealing with. And honestly, the stamina bar, I want it. Whoa. Oops. Is that gonna do it? No, it's still... Okay, here we go. I want that straight on the bottom. But I don't want it to get bigger height-wise. I just want it to get bigger width-wise. So if I come into here and I say scale with screen size, but match width and height. Damn. Whoo-wee. Ew. Dang. I don't actually know what I'm doing here. I suck at this part. Let's look at shrink. Yo, why you do that? See, it shrinks that way. Which, to be fair, doesn't make a whole ton of sense. Tell you what. Whoa. Let's, tie that down to there. There we go. That's all I needed to do. That was easy. Let's zoom in here on it. And I'm going to add in a UI, slider? I do believe a UI slider. Now this is actually going to be the whole slider. I want the handle slide area, boop, boop, boop. Bell handle. This can just leave. Yep. The fell area, I want it to be a blue, or no, green, because green represents, is that the word I'm looking for? Stamina? Most stamina bars are green. And background, I want none. I want it fully translucent. Perfect. Now I can size it up. I can come into here, and I can do that. And now reposition it to where I want it. Boop. Okay, now if I go slider, value, bam, all the way up. Now this panel, stamina bar panel, can actually be fully translucent. And you can see that'll be full stamina, and okay, that's full stamina, and then that's 0 stamina. Now, I do want to make the background fell. I want it to be a little bit darker, more like opaque, I guess is the right word, and I don't really know. I hate working with colors for this. However, I do believe I want it HSV. I don't really know, though. That's probably fine for now. I'll fix it later. But if you go into, like, here, and you search up a stamina bar, you can see most of them are green. If you go to, like, images, either green or blue. But most of them are green. So, now's where the fun part comes in. Great. So I have to take in a value. Okay, let's open up this script. So I have to take in a value of the slider. So I'm pretty sure I have to use using Unity engine .ui. Yes. Now I come into here and I go public slider, and I'm gonna name this stamina. Perfect. This is our stamina bar slider. I'm actually gonna throw a bar in there. Bar. And now there's our stamina bar. Now if I come to the bottom of down here, that is an update. Yes. So if I say, I gotta find the speed. 1 second. If I come into here and I go to FPS player, the speed current is 11.5 is running speed, and walking speed is 7.5. Now that is okay. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put in inside the void, public void update, I'm gonna say if, and in here I'm gonna put in the value of the slider. So I'm gonna say stamina bar is equal, hold up. I'm gonna put this stamina bar at 1 to 100, as this is going to help. Minimum value 0 through 100. Perfect. And I honestly don't know. Okay, anyway. If stamina bar is equal or less than 1, then yeah. Okay, if is equal to 1, okay, is equal to out of stamina. Now this won't make sense until I come up here and I put in a public float called out of stamina, and I set that equal to 1F. Now, oh, come on, work. If I set if stamina bar is equal to out of stamina. Oh, come on, just work. I might have to watch a video on this, which is not what I want to do, but what I might have to do, as I'm not good enough yet.
Sea salt and vinegar chips this tangy are 100% that chip. Kettle brand chips, extra in a good way.
What's up guys, I'm Gatsby. In this video I will show you how to make a stamina bar in Unity. So, we want our stamina bar to be able to be drained continuously from actions like running. We also want to be able to do attack moves, which take large amounts from the stamina bar, and we want it to recharge after a certain amount of time. So, let's get right into it. All I have in my scene is a player that has basic movement set up, in addition to 1 white pixel. I will be using and changing this white square to represent the stamina bar. So you can either make your own, or you can download the one which I've linked in the description. So, to begin, let's go to higher.
Here's what's up. I do believe this is 2D, which won't work. So here's what I'm gonna do. Stamina bar Unity. Easy. I'm pretty sure Bracky's made Oh, what? Who's this? I'm pretty sure Bracky's made a stamina bar tutorial. It doesn't look like he did. Okay.
Hi everyone, Mike from Comp3 Interactive here, and today we're going to be taking a look at creating something that every RPG game needs, and that is a stamina bar. There's a few things that we're going to want to get from this. One, we're going to want a stamina bar to decrease by the correct amount every time we use any stamina. We want to make sure that we can't attack or perform any events if we don't have enough stamina. We want to have a cooldown period before the stamina bar starts to recharge, and if we attack again while the stamina bar is recharging, then we want the cooldown timer to reset. So let's get into it. So for the stamina bar, we're going to use the default Unity UI slider. So if we go ahead and throw in a slider, we can just quickly rename this to stamina bar. Now we don't actually need a handle for this, so we'll get rid of that, and then we'll take our fill width and fill areas left and right to 0, so our bar starts right on the left hand side.
Smart. That is smart to do, which I did not do. What the heck? My 0 key is stuck. Oh, Control Z. Leave it how it is, I guess. Height. I think we're good.
Also,
I'll just cover that side with a logo emblem
just
thing.
go ahead and size this up to 250 by 50, and we'll just put this in the center. We want to go ahead and uncheck interactable because we don't want to be able to physically drag this.
That is true, I did forget that. See, this is why I need tutorials.
And finally, we'll just go ahead and give it a nice stamina green colour for the background. If we go ahead and change the fill to a lighter green, there we go, that's about right. Now obviously for your game you can make your stamina bars as nice as you want, but for the purposes of this tutorial this is going to be enough. So now that we have our amazing design done, we can go ahead and create our...
Welcome, Danny. Yes, Unity. Welcome back, Savage. This is what I'm working with. Hold up.
Stamina bar script.
I think he wants me to put it all in a new script, which I'm gonna do. Because he's smarter than I am. I assume. I honestly don't know. I do, but I can't exactly tell what it is. Let's create C# script. Name it stamina bar. Cool.
And we'll open that up in Visual Studio.
Oh, come on. Friggin' ads, you know? I can skip this one.
So we won't be needing our update method, and we'll add in a reference to our
Slider. Okay. Oop, that's not what I wanted to do. Okay, so we'll get rid of our update method. We'll come up into here and we'll say using Unity engine.ui. Perfect. We're going to also reference our stamina bar just like we did in the other script. So we're going to go with a public slider. We're going to name it stamina bar. I can't. We do that? Hold up.
Slider. Now for that we're going to need to be using...
Oh. It's just that because it's the name of the class too. I think this can just be the bar.
Unity engine.ui. And we'll add in public slider stamina bar. We're also going to want a private integer value for max stamina.
That's true too. We're gonna need a private integer for our max stamina. Because, believe it or not, Unity's not smart enough. Gosh dang. And I'm gonna need that equal to 0. No. 100. Thank you.
Another private integer for current stamina.
Hold up. I wasn't thinking. Here's the thing though. If you just do it like this, it'll cause problems in the future. So what you're gonna want to do... Dang. Current. I was just hating on how smart Unity is, and then they do something stupid like that.
Can't even spell. Same as always. Stamina. And we'll just set max stamina to 100 bar.
Okay. They actually don't cost anything, Danny. They're free.
By default. And just for the purposes of this tutorial, I'm going to make this stamina bar class a singleton so I can easily call it from a test player script. You can go ahead and interact with this stamina bar any way that you like. So I'll just quickly add in a public static stamina bar.
Sure, I can do this. I don't know why, but I'm gonna do it just in case. Static stamina bar, and I just need it to say bar. I just realized.
Call it instance.
Instance. Why doesn't this work? Stamina bar. There we go. End. Didn't they say Unity? I don't have... Well, actually, I just got Twitter. No, I didn't. I have it for free. I don't know. If they do, then I'm not going to use Unity, and I'm doing all this work for nothing, which kind of sucks. Let me take a look right now, though. I'll look it up. Unity raising... Oh, dang, I cannot type. Price. No. Developers spoke throughout the day of delaying their games to switch to rival Epic Games, Unreal Engine, or other services on X, the platform formerly known as Twitter. Oh. That sucks. Yeah, I've been wanting to try Unreal Engine. I'd be willing to give it a try, but I wouldn't be able to do it on stream tonight. But if I did do it, then I wouldn't be able to do it on stream tonight, and then I wouldn't want to continue doing this in case. But, so here's the thing. Here's what I'm thinking. I could either end stream now, check out Unreal Engine, and pick up next Thursday on Unreal Engine and do all of that. Or I could continue this, leave all of that behind, and maybe face charges. Like, payment charges. So, what should we do? Start a poll. Go to Unreal Engine? Question mark? Start a poll. This is what's gonna determine possibly the future of this game. Yes, okay. 1 vote. How many viewers do I have? 2. Do we have 1 more vote on yes? Do we have 1 more vote on yes? Yo, Savage. Do we have 1 more vote on yes? Yes, we do. Okay. Then I'm going to end stream here. Let me end that poll. I'm going to end stream here. And we'll pick up next Thursday on Unreal Engine. I am getting a new microphone soon. So hopefully soon my audio quality will go up too. Yeah. Alright. Alright. Bye.